Hello, Miss Chain of Custody.
Hello, Mr. Occupational. How are you today?
Splendid. I am ready to start using Team Steps.
Team Steps. What is Team Steps?
Team Steps is a set of communication tools that help decrease patient errors and helps increase patient satisfaction.
Really? Well, what tools will occupational health be using?
I am glad you asked. One of the tools we will be using is called a brief.
What is a brief?
A brief is a meeting prior to the start of each shift that we use to discuss team formation, assign essential roles, establish expectations and anticipate outcomes and likely contingencies.
Oh, just like we did yesterday prior to giving the local food service workers their immunizations. We discussed who would give the shots and who would handle the paperwork. We also talked about what supplies we needed, as well as what we should do if anyone had an allergic reaction to any of the immunizations given.
That is it.
I liked this. It helped a lot. Is this the only tool we will be using?
No. We will also use what is called cross-monitoring.
What is cross-monitoring?
Cross-monitoring is an error reduction strategy that helps ensure mistakes or oversights are caught quickly and easily.
Can you give me an example?
Yes. Do you remember the other day when Mr. Gives the Urine came in for his post-accident physical? And I handed his information sheet back to you and asked you to get his address and phone number?
Yes.
I was using cross-monitoring.
I see. If I would have forgotten to get all of the patient information, we would have not been able to contact him once he left our facility. This would have made him very upset if we could not contact him and let him know when he was cleared to go back to work.
That is correct.
Wonderful. These tools are great. Are there more tools?
Yes, there are. To learn more about Team Steps, please contact your department champion to learn more about all of the Team Steps tools available.